Welcome to our first Bario Festival. We hope that you guys will enjoy today.
Voordat we verder gaan, zal een toespraak zijn van Miss Tourism Bonaire, mevrouw Suniva Manuel.
Bon tarde, good afternoon. My name is Suniva Manuel and I am currently Miss Tourism Bonaire. On behalf of Tourism Corporation Bonaire, it is for me an honor to welcome you to the second Bario Festival located right here in the neighborhood of Rincon. The goal of this festival is so the local people can showcase their work and talents, and also, but utmost, for the tourists to get to know our local people and experience our radiant culture, norms, values, and tradition. There are multiple booths with exhibition, arts, and good food. And I would like to welcome everyone and thank you for presencing this Bario Festival. And the tourists, visitors, please, this is your opportunity to get to meet and greet our local people and experience our tradition, our culture, our norm and values, and dance on our local music. Thank you. Mi quero chamar bom menino a cada presente e bom menina é segundo Bario Festival que está agora celebrar dentro do Bario de Rincon. Essa aqui é a oportunidade para o turista não ser conhecido com nos duas cultura, nos normas e valores e também em diferentes stands não caminham por mira tudo o que o nosso pueblo tem de oferecer.
Rincon. Wij zitten hier in Rincon vandaag, zoals onze Miss Tourism heeft verteld, met het tweede Bario Festival. Ja, ik wil wel zeggen, Rincon is geen Bario. Rincon is een dorp. Nós temos Zuid, com Bario de Rincon, Cocorobito, Bario de Rincon, Sofia, Bario de Rincon, Puente Fo, Bario de Rincon. Pero Rincon mesmo é pueblo. O pueblo caminha, mas nasce, caminha, mas cresce.